What is SEO? SEO, or search engine optimization, is a term that we've all heard, but what does it entail exactly? Well, SEO describes measures that are designed to improve your website's rank in the search engines. Sounds simple, right? Not exactly. Search engine algorithms are constantly changing, so that means SEO is a constantly evolving field. But one thing is constant. High-quality content and a great user experience are vital elements. Quite simply, the days of boosting your rank through measures like link building are over. Today, substance is key, and that's precisely where Nexus Digital Marketing can assist. Our SEO packages are designed to boost your search engine rankings, and they'll supercharge your brand reputation, all while enhancing user experience. At Nexus Digital Marketing, we'll work to understand your business. What drives your business? What matters to your customers? Our SEO team will develop a custom solution designed to achieve your objectives using the perfect blend of tactics. We'll execute your SEO campaign using proven techniques and quality content. Our campaigns are designed to enhance brand awareness and loyalty, all while boosting your performance in the search engine results. Every package is unique, and every client has a dedicated account manager. You'll also receive simple yet thorough monthly reports to track progress. Select a package that fits your budget and let's get started. Capacity is limited, so sign up now. Get started today at nexusdigitalmarketing.com.au. That's www.nexusdigitalmarketing.com.au.